Hello guys, welcome to the next lecture in the series of style components in React. In the previous lecture, we learned styling according to the props. Today we are going to learn a new concept called inheritance. Here I have two buttons, normal and primary. I applied a common style for both the buttons. Here is another case. I have to apply some more styles along with this basic style to this primary button. One way to do using props and another way is using inheritance. Today we are going to learn inheritance. Okay, for that, first of all, I have to create another component called primary button equal to styled dot button. Okay, and replace this button with primary button. If I'm doing like this, I have to use these styles again inside this primary button also. So to avoid that, I have to inherit this button properties of this button. For that, just give, instead of this dot button, just give that component inside this styled. Okay, then now this button will get all this property. Now we can add some extra properties also. I'm giving a background color as blue, and giving border to px solid gray. Okay, save this. Yeah, now we can see the result in right side. Here the same buttons, but it have all the properties of the normal button with these two properties also. This is how we can style using the concept inheritance in styled components. Hope you enjoy this session. Please hit the subscribe button and share with your friends.